All right, guys, back with another video, man. Today, we're going to be taking delivery of that 2013 Hyundai Elantra from IAA. Delivery company's supposed to drop it off within a few hours. Once they drop it off, I'll get it brought into the lot. We assess the damage from there. I'll show you all the damage that's on it, all the parts that's needed. I'll go try to grab some parts today, the rest tomorrow. Drop the ones that need to be paint off at the paint shop, and I'll handle the suspension and trying to put everything else back together as long as there's no frame damage. But it's pretty clean. Got about 140,000 miles on it. Pretty sure it was running and driving before the accident. And yeah, man, it's clean. Other than that, I probably spent about a grand on it to get it fixed back to running and driving good. But yeah, guys, once the delivery come to get here with it, I'll come back to you guys. All right, guys, tow truck did pull up with it. Tow truck pulled up with it. We're trying to get it in a spot. This is it. This is it, man. That thing looks good, man. I'm about to get up off of here though, show you once we drop it. All right, guys, we got it off the tow truck. That's pretty much it. It got a little more damage than I thought. I gotta find that light. Oh, the brackets. No, the bracket's not broke on it, but it's a little more damage than I thought. It looks like the frame. Yep, the frame rail is tweaked all the way over to the right. This light should be able to pull right out. They stuck the bolt back in it. I can pull it. I'm gonna break this light out. Let me see. Yeah, see, yep. Frame rail is tweaked right there. It's going to the right, if you guys can tell. So I'll have to get this frame straightened back out. But so far, as far as body parts, it needs the fender, bumper, light, hood. This fender is bent out just a little, but I'm gonna roll with it because I can bend that fender back in some right there. So I'm gonna probably just keep this fender, but everything else is going to go. I might have to replace this radiator support. And then the battery is all the way dead for some reason. Maybe I can let it run and see what it'll do. I'm gonna let it run. Start it up for you guys real quick. See if we can see what'll happen real fast. Show you guys the interior. Show you guys the rest of the car first. Not a bad looking car. Looks like the back bumper might be pushed out a little bit. Show you guys it doesn't look like a bad car, man. It's pretty clean. I'm gonna fix the suspension first, then worry about the frame later. I just want to get it to where it can run and drive. I already found that seat, same color. I gotta replace that airbag over there. Mind if I can pop the trunk? Let's see what's in the trunk. Maybe I have some parts in there. Oh, yep. Okay, got the grill. Grill looks like it's usable. The grill is usable. Yep, grill is usable. The side panel, still good. This might be good as well. Nope, that's broken. Okay, but this light is broken. I need two more lights. I need two. What the frick filter that's for? I don't know. So I need two lights. See if it'll start real fast. Start it up real fast. Jump box dead. Alright, guys, my freaking jump box died on me, so I'm currently charging it up right now. Walk back over here to the Elantra. But I'm not tripping about, it's more damage than what I thought, because I still can, fix it and, make a decent profit on it. Just some stuff I don't know why they did. Like, let me show you guys real fast. They took the cowl loose, and the filter that was in the trunk, I'm pretty sure it goes in there, and it's going to be the cabin filter. So I don't know why they did that. And then they didn't give me the screws or nothing to go there. So that is retarded. But it is what it is. Let me see, did this one have fog lights? Nope, this one doesn't have fog lights, so that's a plus. So yeah, guys, I ain't tripping. It is what it is. The car does start. I did have it running. And then, because I had to drive it back because the tow truck was only able to drop it, in a certain amount. So I started driving it from basically right there on back. So the first step I want to do is I'm going to fix this suspension on this wheel so I can get it running back and forth. And then the battery keeps dying because this freaking belt is not on. I don't know why it's off. Kind of do know why it's off. It's off because, let me show you. The belt is off because this AC line is pushing up against the belt, and it knocked it off. And it looks like it took a chunk out of the belt right there. So that's why the belt is not on. So once the frame rail gets pulled back over, we'll be able to put that belt back on and go from there. But this is it, man. Running and driving. I have to call IA tomorrow so they can FedEx me my freaking title. But it's pretty clean. AC did come on when I had started it. It was pretty cool. It was pretty cool. Hyundai Elantra. Let's see what's in there. Nothing's in there. Man, this thing is actually clean. It's clean. Not too bad. It's pretty clean. So you guys, this side, I'm gonna have to replace this tail light. I didn't see that in the pictures. But it's pretty cool, man. Alright guys, and basically that is going to be the end of this video. Basically this is a little short little video of us about to start rebuilding on the 2013 Hyundai Elantra. I do have a Sonata coming in as well. It's a 2012 Sonata, so I have that coming in as well. So we're going to bring that to the channel, and along with a couple more videos, a couple more cars. But yeah, so far we're going to be doing that one, man. But thank you guys for tuning in to another video, man. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and keep watching the videos, because we're going to keep bringing more content to the channel. So yeah, I'm about to post the Yaris up for sale tonight, and then see if it sells, man. I'm gonna see if somebody wanted to do the inspection themselves. I sold the Sebring like that without doing the inspection. So I'm gonna post the Yaris, the Toyota Yaris, and see if somebody want to do the inspection on that. And if when I sell it, I'll be posting a video of that one as well. So thanks guys for tuning into another video. Please return, like, comment, share. I'm out.